Okay, so drone page here. Okay, so another episode again with this video. Okay, so this is the continuation of the building my own FPV with the Volador fly piece frame. Okay, a 3.5 inch. So this is my frame, and this is my flight controller, the F4 Mini, the new latest release last month. Okay, good for 3-inch build, 20 by 20, and this is my flash motor, the 3500 kb from Flyfish also, good for 4S. Okay, and one more thing, did you remember the Cadix camera? Okay, from my Mobile 8. Okay, so I will install here. So I'm trying to build guys the under 250 grams. Okay, so I'm using the XT30. Okay, so first thing that we do guys, we will install the motor, okay, with the FPV frame, okay. Okay, so gone about the installing the motor guys. Okay, so we will complete this, okay, all of this. Okay, so this is now guys, I already finished the installing of the motors, okay, and ESC. I apologize, I did not show the soldering method because I have a little bit problem with my soldering iron. Okay, so we will install next the flight controller. Okay, okay, so it's done guys to install the flight controller, okay, with our 3.5 inch build. Okay, so we will proceed now to the for the camera soldering. Okay, so let's solder it. So by the way, I'm using the Cadix FPV, okay, the Baby Rattle 2 before in my Mobile 8. So I just fast forward guys. So this is the diagram, okay, wiring diagram of the camera that we install in our flight controller. Okay. Okay, so we will connect all guys, including all BTX. Okay, we will fast forward. Okay, so it's done guys about the soldering, okay, with the BTX and the receiver. So I did not show because a lot of time consume, okay. So this is the connection of the receiver guys, the Express LRS version, okay. So this is the diagram also with our BTX. So I'm using the TX800, okay, from SPDB also. So I will put all in the description below, guys, all the details in my quad. And if you like to build your own also, you can try, okay? So I solder also the buzzer, guys. If happen that my drone loss, I can find with the buzzer, okay? So I just solder all like this. So I'm happy with my build, guys. It's my first time to build. So this is it, guys. We will try to install the battery, the 850 milliamperes, to check if have a short circuit with our quad, okay? So I'm just fix this. So before we go to the connection of the battery, guys, we must insert, okay, the antenna in the BTX so that our flight controller will not be fry, and we must need also the smoke stopper. So I will put all the description below about the details, okay? So this is it, guys. I will connect now the battery. So if solid green, it's good, okay? So let's go. Oh, okay, guys. So it's work about what I'm building. So all the flight controller light, headlight also, the BTX, and this receiver. So all good, guys. So I'm happy because I'm building my first FPV. Okay, so good job. So we will all return, guys, with those covers, and we will jump to the beta flight for the setup. Okay. Okay, so this is the finished product, guys. Maybe in my next video, I will include the beta flight settings, okay? So I just want to share with you my first 3.5-inch build, the Volador 3.5. So I'm using, by the way, the Cadix FPV, the Baby Rattle 2 camera from my Mobula 8 before. Actually, I will change this. I'm just order another one. And about my flight controller, I'm using the F4 Mini 20 by 20, latest 1 month ago. So I'm using the BTX, the TX800 from SPDB also. So the receiver is Express LRS. So I'm using also the Lollipop antenna, good for range. And what else? The motor 3,500 kb, good for 4S. And one more thing, this motor can carry a GoPro, okay? So pretty nice, guys, with my build for me. Okay, so I'm using the 850 milliamperes, guys, 4S battery. So at the end of the video, we will try to fly a little bit. Okay, so I'm trying the 250 grams build, but I think more than, okay? And I'm using also my Fat Shark HD3 with rapid fire for now. Then as usual, my Jumper T Pro. Maybe for the future, I will change or switch to DJI also, DJI O3. So, very cool, nice. Okay, so that's only guys. Till next time, we'll fly a little bit at the end of this video. So, thank you and good day to all. See you.